Welcome to our Gigabyte GPU Showdown. Today we are diving deep into a comparison between the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G and the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC 16G. Both cards boast impressive specifications and are designed for different gaming experiences. The RX 7600 XT is aimed at high refresh rate 1080p and capable 1440p gaming, while the RTX 5070 Ti is built for 4K gaming and professional content creation. Join us as we explore their features, performance, and value for money. When it comes to gaming performance, the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G excels in delivering smooth gameplay at 1080p and can handle 1440p gaming with decent settings. Its RDNA3 architecture and 16 GB of GDDR6 memory provide a solid foundation for modern titles. On the other hand, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC 16G takes performance to the next level with its Blackwell architecture and advanced features like DLSS 4, making it a powerhouse for 4K gaming and demanding applications. The performance gap is significant, with the RTX 5070 Ti offering superior frame rates and graphical fidelity in the latest games. Both graphics cards feature 16 GB of memory, but they utilize different types. The RX 7600 XT is equipped with GDDR6 memory on a 128-bit bus, which provides ample capacity for most gaming scenarios, but may limit performance at higher resolutions. In contrast, the RTX 5070 Ti boasts GDDR7 memory on a 256-bit bus, allowing for significantly higher bandwidth and faster data transfer rates. This difference in memory technology and bus width gives the RTX 5070 Ti a clear advantage in high-resolution gaming and content creation tasks. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance, especially during intense gaming sessions. The Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT features a triple-fan WINDFORCE cooling system that effectively dissipates heat, keeping the card cool and quiet under load. The RTX 5070 Ti also utilizes the WINDFORCE cooling technology, but benefits from its larger size and design, allowing for even better thermal management. Both cards are designed to handle high temperatures, but the RTX 5070 Ti's advanced cooling capabilities give it an edge for prolonged gaming or rendering tasks. In conclusion, both the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G and the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC 16G offer impressive features tailored to different gaming needs. The RX 7600 XT is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers looking for high performance at 1080p and 1440p, while the RTX 5070 Ti is a premium option for those seeking the best in 4K gaming and advanced technologies. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.